Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, culinary student of SMK Barnawati, Surabaya. Today, with Mrs. Nova, we will learn about handling conflict situation with colleagues and customer. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, Mrs. Nova, we will explain the meaning of conflict. The word conflicts. Conflict comes from the Latin language, namely con and figere, where the word con means together, while figure means to strike. In the Indonesian Dictionary or KBBI, the entry conflict is defined as a quarrel, dispute, and contradiction. So we can conclude that conflict is a condition where there are two or more differing views, belief, desire, interests, need, values are not alike, opposite, and not in agreement. Identify customer complaints. Next, we will identify customer complaints, starting from the food quality, service, cleanliness, price, ambience, food safety, time, and communication. For example, customer complaints about food quality. Mrs. Nova, we will give three examples. Customer complain about food quality. For first, the soup served is not hot. Second, the main course portion is insufficient. And the third, fruit juice is too watery and not sweet. Here, Mrs. Nova, we will try to explain how to handle complaints, with the type of complaint being time and the complaint submit as following: a customer complaint that their order has not arrived, even though it has exceeded the estimated delivery time. So, resolution step: initial response. Quickly respond to the complaint by apologizing for the inconvenience experienced by the customer. Complaint verification. Check the customer's complaints by confirming with the service department that prepared the order. Explanation and solution. Explain to the customer the reason for the delivery delay and offer a solution such as replacing it with a new meal that is currently available. Compensation. Offer compensation in the form of a free drink or side dish as an apology for the inconvenience experienced by the customer. For the second example, with the type of complaint being cleanliness, the complaint submitted is that a customer complained about serving utensil on the table having fingerprint. Resolution step. Initial response. Quickly respond to the complaint by apologizing for the inconvenience experienced by the customer. Complaint verification. Check the customer complaint by confirming with the serve department and set up the guest table. Explanation and solution. Explain to the customer the reason for the fingerprint on the serving utensil and offer a solution by replacing the utensil with new ones that have been ensured clean. Compensation. Offer compensation in the form of drink as an apology for the inconvenience experienced by the customer. Follow up. Follow up with the customer after the issue is resolved to ensure their satisfaction. After we learn how to handle customer complaint, we understand how important it is to maintain communication with customer so that complaint or complaints can be resolved properly. What happens if the complaint is not handled well? It will certainly have an impact on yourself and the company. Mistake in handling customer complaint can cause the business we run to fall apart. According to Jazak Afriansa, a coach, trainer, or ACT of Professional Skill Series, and author of the Professional Skill Series book, this mistake will result in the following detrimental event: lost trust from the customer, negative campaign, lost opportunity to recruit a new customer, high cost and hard effort. Confirm the current negative perception. damaging reputation and image, lost revenue and lost profit. Alright, we have completed our lesson on handling conflict situation with colleagues and customer. Do you understand? To measure your level of understand, Mrs. Nova will give you a customer complaint case with the type of complaint being ambience. A customer complains about the noisy atmosphere because the wait staff, are talking and laughing too loudly near the ordering table. Provide alternative solution for following complaint. I repeat again, a customer complained about the noisy atmosphere because the wait staff are talking and laughing too loudly near the ordering table. You can write your answer in the comment section in the format name underscores class underscores complaint solution. Okay, you can write your answer in the comment section in the format name underscores class underscores complaint situation. Thank you for learning with Mrs. Nova today. I hope it will be beneficial for us in communicating well and being able to handle conflict situation with colleagues and customer. During practice in the industry on the everyday life, keep up the spirit of learning. See you next level. Thank you.